I'm going to show you how to make a three-way splitter by using two-way splitters. You will need 3 F plugs and 2 splitters. The first thing to do is to trim up one of the coax cables that you have and put an end on it. We need to make up a small fly lead. Both ends will have the F plug connected. Now this is important, make sure this is correct. Make sure the outer metal doesn't touch the inner core. When you've done one, then simply do the other one. Now you can of course buy a three-way splitter, and this particular two-way splitter works perfectly okay, except one end will be half the signal and the other end will be a quarter of the signal. So now we're to kind of put on the other end, the F plug. Now I do have on my DIY channel, I do have ways of showing you exactly how to put this on. Now what we're doing, we are connecting the input of one of the splitters to the output of one of the others. Now, as you can see, there are now 3 outputs and there's 1 input. The 1 input will be from the aerial itself. And there you can see 1, 2, 3 outputs. So you'll be able to run your 3 outputs from this two-way splitter. Thank you for watching. If you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And you can of course go onto my channel to see more DIY videos.